Welcome to another episode of Big Lee's Corner. Alright, today I'm in my WrestleCrate. What month? March 2018 crate arrived. WrestleCrate. Unboxing. Alright, first of all, WrestleCrate. We're sorry that your Kenny Omega mini wrestling buddy is missing. The postman turned heel on us, and some of these custom products have been delayed in transit. You will be receiving it as soon as possible, along with a special bonus gift. Thanks for your patience, and thanks for subscribing to WrestleCrate. Now for the actual items themselves. A WrestleCrate.com shirt. This is awesome. Looks like it's featuring Ultimate Warrior. At least I'm assuming that's supposed to be Warrior. The early years of the Architect, Tyler Black DVD. By the way, I've known Tyler Black before he came to WWE as Seth Rollins. Tyler Black vs. Ricochet, April 21st, 2006. Tyler Black vs. Brandon Tomaselli, April 22nd, 2006. Tyler Black vs. Kevin Steen, aka Kevin Owens, May 18th, 2006. Tyler Black vs. Trick Davis, May 19th, 2006. By the way, any of you that watched WWE back then, Kane's offended by that date. Oh, wait. No, wait, May 8th. Tyler Black vs. Josh Abercrombie, aka Josh Raymond. I don't know if he went by any other names, but I was a fan of that guy because he used to enter with Lady of Sorrows by My Mechanical Romance. I forgot how to announce that band. But Abercrombie got over with me all because I love the fact he entered with that song. But anyway, August 11th, 2006. Once again, Tyler versus Josh. Loser leaves IWA. I'm guessing IWA Mid-South, which is a show I have followed from 2004 through 2007. After 2007, I kind of split ways. Haven't been to an IWA show since. Watched DVDs of it, but haven't been to one. But anyway, this one was September 30th, 2006. Super Fun 5000. Makers of 905 Wrestling Buddy Inspired Dolls, because that's supposed to be the Kenny Omega doll. But anyway, here's the back. Save me the trouble on reading. I already read two things, I don't need to read that. I'm guessing a tattoo, one of those scribble-on tattoos of Hulk Hogan. Okay, up next an Andre the Giant pendant. The late Andre the Giant. Alright, I'm not sure who this is supposed to be. Then you know, comment below, let me know. I may love wrestling, but it doesn't mean I know everybody. Oh, wait. I do know him. 123 Kid, X-Pac, 6-Pac, 6, Sean Waltman. Never mind. And talk about perfect timing, because at Days of the Dead this year in Indianapolis, I'll be meeting the Outsiders. So, technically, the main three NWOs, in my opinion, even though Hogan's mainly the third guy, but I always declare Waltman the third guy to those two. I get all three autographs of the band, I guess is what those three can call themselves. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big League's Corner. I'll try to have a nice day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.